So, you've got Expensify, and you're ready to streamline your expense management. But how, exactly, do you pay for it? Let's dive in. Understanding Expensify's pricing mode. Expensify offers a flexible pricing model to cater to various business needs. The core idea is a pay-per-use system where you pay a small fee for each expense report processed. This means you only pay for what you use, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. Key factors affecting your cost. Number of users. The more users on your plan, the higher the monthly fee. Feature usage. Certain advanced features, like integrations and custom workflows, might incur additional costs. Expense volume. The number of expense reports processed each month will directly impact your overall cost. Breaking down the payment process. Choose a plan. Select the right plan. Expensify offers a variety of plans, from basic to enterprise level. Consider your team size, feature needs, and budget to choose the best fit. Customize your plan. Tailor your plan with optional add-ons to meet specific requirements, such as advanced integrations or increased storage. Set up billing. Provide payment information. You'll need to provide your credit card details or set up direct billing. Choose a billing cycle. Decide on a monthly or annual billing cycle. Annual plans often come with discounts. Monitor your usage. Track your expenses. Keep an eye on your expense volume and feature usage to understand your monthly costs. Utilize Expensify's reporting tools. These tools can help you analyze your spending patterns and identify potential cost-saving opportunities. Additional tips for cost optimization. Encourage mobile app usage. Mobile submissions can significantly reduce processing time and costs. Utilize SmartScan. This feature automatically captures expense details from receipts, saving time and reducing errors. Implement policy and workflow automation. Streamline the approval process and reduce manual intervention. Negotiate with Expensify. For larger organizations, consider negotiating custom pricing and support packages. By understanding Expensify's pricing model, choosing the right plan, and optimizing your usage, you can effectively manage your expenses and control your costs. With a bit of planning and strategy, you can maximize the benefits of Expensify while minimizing your expenses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.